Easy Party Printables. Hi, Kerry here from Dream Creative Bee, and welcome to my channel where I show you how to make money online with KDP low content books and Etsy when you're training every week. So be sure to hit the big red subscribe button down below. So today I'm actually reviewing Amy Harrop's new product called Easy Party Printables, and it's basically about creating party printables and selling them on an Etsy store. So why are party printables? Well, party printables is because it's a nice, great niche to be able to go into. And the average American spends $1,400 a year on this niche. So that is why it's a good idea to actually have a look at it. And it's also a good idea to have a look at it as a second income stream or another income stream if you're already creating KDP low content books, because you're used to creating low content items. It's just making sure you have more income streams, which is always helpful. And the great thing about Etsy is you can have as many stores as you want. So you can have a specific store that just deals with, say, a party niche, maybe an overall party niche, or you could have one that just deals with, say, baby showers, and one that just deals with weddings, one that just deals with graduation. So you're getting the sort of theme. So this is Amy Harrop. She introduces you. I'm going to leave a link down in the description so you can actually check the sales page. But if we go across to Etsy, you'll see that there is lots of searches we can actually do for different sorts of areas. And this is a Chrome extension tool called Keywords Everywhere. So it's actually showing you the different tools there. So if, say, we typed birthday cards in, you will see, and it pops up quickly there, and it said something about over 500,000 searches that are made every month for birthday cards, and it brings it down, so you can see that it's actually quite a big area. So what do you actually get in the front end? And the front end is $19.99 during this period. The price actually goes up after the September the 13th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Price will go to $29.99, and that may change. So whenever you check this video out, have a look at the price. And there are 3 OTOs, but I'll go through them as well. So the first thing that you actually get is a PDF that's 93 pages long, and it goes through why printable products are great. Well, they're great because you don't have to have any inventory. You can be creating them from anywhere as long as you've got access to a laptop or a computer or a tablet and the internet. Printable party products are hot niche. Party printable success: finding the most popular party occasion niches, creating printable party products and selling your party printables on Etsy. And the most important thing is about how to go about getting traffic to your printable shop. So this is actually inside the rest of the area. Amy introduces you to the training. She talks about what she's going to cover. Then module 1 is where you download that guide and the worksheet, which is the one that I've just shown you there. Module 2 is about watching the video tutorial. She covers how to create printables in both PowerPoint and in Canva, and where you can actually get ideas from to be creating something for your store. Then module 3, there are lots of templates that you can be using or that are already there. She does templates like party toppers and party hats and party banners and those sorts of things. And there are the demo videos as well, again covering them for PowerPoint and Canva. And then there are 2 bonuses, and one of the bonuses is talking about getting your Etsy sales. Then there is 3 OTOs. The first OTO is Easy Party Quickstart, and this is a lot more templates and some other secrets that she goes through, where you can also be creating new things and where you can also be selling other items. OTO 2 is publishing and printable tools bundles, and it's basically some of her previous products. Now, I've bought a lot of her previous products, so I did not purchase this one. And then OTO 3 is easy implementation, and it's pod, print on demand, graphics success. So those are the 3 OTOs. Again, go and check it out. Go and check the link down in the description. So that is Amy Harrop's Easy Party Printables, just another great niche to be going into. And I suggest if you're already creating KDP low content books and you've got the time, start looking at creating printables and selling them either on an Etsy store, which is nice and easy to get going because the traffic is already there and there's not a lot to worry about, such as the technical side. But if you also want to sell your own party printables on your own store, it's also possible. So you can do Shopify, Groovecart, Gumroad, WooCommerce, all of them is also possible. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you haven't subscribed already, hit the little B to subscribe and be notified about any other videos I make. While you're here, why not check out my book about how to create notebooks in Canva and how to create undated weekly planners in Canva as well.